Hello, thanks for joining me. I am here to read you some story problems for today. First, please make sure that you have counters of some sort or a whiteboard or piece of paper to make these word problems easier for you. All right, so I'm going to be reading the first three and then I will pause and help out with number one. So this week's word problems are going to focus on addition and subtraction. So you are going to be having to figure out, am I adding these together or am I subtracting them? Am I making them bigger or am I making them smaller? All right, problem number one. Madeline has 8 bunnies at her house. She gets 3 more bunnies. How many bunnies does she have in all? Number 2. There were 12 cupcakes sitting on the table. 5 cupcakes went missing. How many cupcakes are left? And number 3. Joshua reads 6 books. He then reads 5 more. How many books in all has Joshua read? All right, before I act out number 1, I'm going to scroll down a little to show you this table that I have provided you. So it says words to look for in story problems. We have addition and subtraction. So if you find any of these words in your word problem, then you know it's going to be addition. You're going to add them together. If you find any of these words, you know it's going to be a subtraction and you're going to take them away. So we have some, all together, in all, plus, total, both, more than, added to, combined. Then for subtraction, we have minus, remainder, difference, less than, take away, how many more, left, remain, and fewer. All right, I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to work out problem number 1. All right, number 1, Madeline has 8 bunnies at her house. So I'm going to count out 8 of my objects. All right, here are my 8 Monopoly tickets. She gets 3 more bunnies. So now I have to decide, am I going to be adding Monopoly tickets or am I going to be taking Monopoly tickets away? So I'm going to look at it one more time. She gets 3 more bunnies. That sounds like we're adding things. We're making it bigger. So I'm going to take 3 and I'm going to add it to my pile. Now, how many bunnies does she have in all? Please count everything that you have, and that will be problem number 1. All right, I hope that these math problems go well for you. If you have any questions, let me know.